You think you know what GPT-5 can do? Trust me, you've barely scratched the surface. There are 10 hidden features every student should know. Otherwise, what are you even doing with your student life? Watch till the end.
Upload your entire textbook or lecture slides, and GPT-5 gives you connected summaries so you understand the bigger picture clip, not just chapter by chapter.
GPT-5 your subject and time limit pre-ev. It creates a test that gets harder with each correct answer, then explains every wrong one. Upload any chart or diagram, and GPT-5 explains it in plain English with real-life examples you will actually remember.
In multiple articles, and GPT-5 merges them into one clean research paper with proper citations, no plagiarism. Ask GPT-5 to teach you the same topic in different ways, story, analogy, or advanced lecture, until it finally clicks.
Feed in past exams, and GPT-5 predicts what topics are most likely to show up next. Teach GPT-5 your syllabus once, and it remembers it for all your future study sessions. In voice mode, GPT-5 listens to your pronunciation and corrects it instantly for it. Perfect for language classes. From idea to final build, GPT-5 maps every step, lists materials, and even gives you a timeline.
Turn your notes into flashcards, and GPT-5 will keep quizzing you until you master them. Subscribe and share this with a friend who needs it most. I've also linked a free PDF with dozens more prompts to make GPT-5 your ultimate study partner.